windows trembling in the night, shadows dancing with the light, every sound a restless way. I'm not afraid, 'cause I'm safe inside the storm, in a quiet hidden world, where the thunder turns to gold, and the night won't feel so cold. Let the chaos fill the sky, hear it roar and pass me by. In your arms I finally feel something steady, something real, something real. Raindrops racing down the glass, like they're chasing moments past. Every flash just fades away into softer shades of gray. Breathing slow, your heartbeat near, drowning out the distant fear. Every echo, every sound turns to peace that wraps around. Even if the world collides and the dark won't let in light, there's a place we'll always know, where the storm can't reach our souls. I'm safe inside the storm tonight, where the dark feels warm and bright. Every drop will sing me low to a place I'll never know. Close my eyes, I drift away. Let the thunder softly fade. Through the noise I finally see the storm was always part of the way. The sky is breaking into light, silver cracks across the night. Rain keeps calling out your name, like a soft and endless flame. Windows shake, the shadows move to a dark and restless gloom. But in this moment, safe and slow, you're the only peace I know. When the sky falls down in sound, and the rain floods all around, lay your head and drift with me, where the storm can't reach your dreams. Hear the thunder far away, let it slowly fade to gray. In the chaos you will find a quiet world inside your mind. Every drop a lullaby, singing through the sleepless sky. Lightning paints the room in blue, then it fades to only you. Breathing soft, your heart beats slow, like the tide that comes and goes. All the noise just slips away as the night begins to sway. No fear can live in this space. Time itself begins to fade, wrapped inside the storm's embrace. You're in calm that can't be replaced. When the sky falls down tonight, close your eyes, hold on so tight. Every storm will pass you by, like a whisper in the sky. Rain will carry you to sleep, into dreams so soft and deep. Through the dark you'll always find a silent peace within your mind. Tearing open wide, silver veins across the night. Every flash reveals the dark, like a beating, restless heart. Rain is falling hard and deep, in the city fast asleep. Every drop a story told, every breath a touch of cold. Windows shaking, curtains sway as the storm begins to play. Nature's wild and endless song, pulling every thought along. But in this room, the lights are low, a softer rhythm starts to grow. A quiet place the world can't find, somewhere safe inside your mind. Let the thunder shake the sky, let the lightning split the night. I'll be here where you can hide, in a calm you feel inside, while the rain keeps pouring down, like a never-ending sound. Close your eyes and drift away, let the storm just fade to gray. Raindrops racing down the glass, like reflections of the past. Every second slipping slow, like a dream you used to know. Distant echoes fill the air, but there's peace between each flare. In the silence after sound, there's a calm that can be found. Your breathing falls into a flow, gentle as the winds that blow. Every heartbeat soft and deep, calling you to peaceful sleep. No need to run, no need to fight. You're protected in this night. Every fear will wash away with the storm that's here to stay. Let the thunder call your name, let it echo through the rain. It's just noise that fades in time, like a slowly dying chime. Feel the rhythm soft and low, like a tide that starts to slow. Even when the sky collapses and the darkness never passes, there's a world beneath the sound, where your soul is always found. Lightning flickers, then it dies, leaving shadows in your eyes. But beyond the storm you'll see a hidden kind of clarity. Hush now, close your eyes, let the rain sing you to sleep. Every drop, every sound is a promise you can keep. Let the thunder fade away as the night turns into gray. stand still. The night has said what it will, and in the silence left behind, you finally rest, you finally unwind. Walls heavy on the window tonight, silver lines in the dark breaking light, thunder rolling deep through the sky, like a distant endless lullaby. You lie still as the world fades away, all the noise turning softer to gray. Every drop is a calming sound, like a rhythm that's pulling you down. Breathing slow as the wind softly cries, shadows move but they're gentle tonight. Nothing here is trying to harm, only rain wrapping you in its arms. Let it fall, let it wash through your mind. Leave the restless world far behind. In this moment, there's nothing to fear, only peace slowly drawing you near. Lightning flashes, then fades into black, like a memory that won't come back. Thunder echoes, but feels so far, like it's lost in the night where you are. Raindrops dance on the edge of your dreams, soft and steady, just like it seems. Every second your thoughts drift away, like the night slowly taking their place. You don't have to hold on so tight, you can let go into the night. Every worry will fade with the rain, every heartbeat will loosen the pain. Feel the calm as it fills up your chest, like a whisper that tells you to rest. There's a world that exists deep inside, where the storm and the silence collide, and it's safe, so safe, far from the noise you escape. Rain keeps falling but softer now, like a promise you don't question how. Every drop is a gentle release, turning chaos to something like peace. Your eyes grow heavy, your body slow, like a river that's starting to flow. Every breath pulls you deeper within, to a place where the quiet begins. Thunder fades to a low, distant sound, like it's buried beneath the ground. All that's left is the rain in your soul, moving slowly, losing control. But it's okay, just drift, just fall. There's no need to fight it at all. Let the storm become part of your dream, not as loud as it once used to seem. Now it's soft like a faraway song, like a place where you always belong. Raindrops echo like steps in the night, guiding you to a world made of light. Not the light that your eyes can see, but a calm that just lets you be. You are safe in this moment so deep, where the storm sings you gently to sleep. Every sound is a wave you can ride, to a quiet that lives deep inside. Nothing's rushing, no reason to wake. Let the silence be yours to take. In the dark there's a comfort so true, like the night was created for you. Rain grows softer, slower, light, blending into the end of the night. to where there is nothing but calm waiting there. So just sleep, drift deep, let go. Let the last of the storm fade slow. You are safe, you are warm, you are free in the endless rain of your dreams. And as you drift deeper into the quiet night, there's a softness that feels so right. Like the storm was never loud at all, just a gentle voice in the fall. Your thoughts now fading one by one, like stars that disappear before the sun. No more weight, no need to hold, only warmth within the cold. Rain still whispers soft and low, like a secret only you can know. Every drop a peaceful guide, leading you further inside. There's a place beyond the sound, where no fear can still be found, where your heart can finally rest in a calm that feels its best. Breathing slow, you barely feel what was once so loud and real. Now it's distant, far away, lost within the fading gray. And the night wraps closer